How to pass any prop firm challenge in 10 days, proven step-by-step strategy. Most traders fail prop firm challenges not because they can't trade, but because they trade like gamblers inside a rule-based game. In this video, I will break down exactly how successful traders pass prop firm challenges, even with small accounts and strict rules. No hype, no unrealistic promises, just a clear framework that actually works. If you want to stop blowing challenges and finally get funded, watch this video to the end. Understand the game you are playing. The first mistake traders make is thinking a prop firm challenge is about making money fast. It is not. A prop firm challenge is a risk management exam, not a profit contest. Prop firms don't care how smart your strategy is. They only care about 3 things. 1. Can you follow rules? 2. Can you control drawdown? 3. Can you trade consistently without emotional mistakes? Once you understand this, your mindset shifts from how much can I make to how do I survive and grow slowly. That single shift changes everything. Section 2. Trade for survival first. If your first goal in a challenge is to hit the profit target quickly, you are already on the path to failure. Your real first goal should be this: survive the challenge without breaking rules. Here is the rule that funded traders live by. If you protect drawdown, profits will take care of themselves. Most prop firms allow a 5% daily drawdown, a 10% overall drawdown. Professional traders rarely risk more than 0.25% to 0.5% per trade during a challenge. Why? Because one bad day should never end your challenge. Passing a prop firm is not about big wins. It's about not losing big. Section 3. Use a simple, repeatable strategy. This is where many traders sabotage themselves. They jump from a scalping today, a news trading tomorrow, indicators next week. That chaos kills consistency. To pass a prop firm challenge, you need one boring, repeatable setup. Not the best strategy, not the fanciest strategy, the one you can execute without hesitation. Your strategy should have a clear entry rules, a clear stop loss, a clear take profit, a fixed risk per trade. If you need to think for 10 minutes before entering, the strategy is too complex. Simplicity wins prop firm challenges. Section 4. Control your trade frequency. Overtrading is the silent killer of prop firm accounts. Most funded traders take a 1 to 3 trades per day, a sometimes 0 trades. Yes, 0 trades. You are not paid to trade every day. You are paid to not lose money. If the market is unclear, stay out. No trade is better than a forced trade. Remember, the prop firm clock is not your enemy. Your impatience is. Section 5. Master daily drawdown management. Here is a rule that separates failed traders from funded traders. Stop trading after hitting your daily loss limit. If your daily drawdown is 5%, your personal limit should be 2% or less. That way, you never violate firm rules. You trade calmly. You live to trade tomorrow. Professional traders treat daily drawdown like a hard wall. Once hit, the day is over. No revenge trades, no one more setup. Discipline here alone can pass you a challenge. Section 6. Do not rush the profit target. Most challenges give you 30 days or more, yet traders try to finish in 3 days. That pressure leads to oversized risk, emotional trading, rule violations. Instead, aim for 0.5% to 1% per day. At that pace, you stay calm, you stay consistent, you naturally reach the target. Slow progress is not weakness, it is professionalism. Section 7. Trade like you are already funded. This mindset shift is powerful. Ask yourself before every trade, would I take this trade if this were a $500,000 funded account? If the answer is no, don't take it. Treat the challenge account with respect. Not like a demo, not like a gamble. Prop firms fund traders who already behave like professionals, not traders who promise to change later. Passing a prop firm challenge is not about luck. It's about discipline, patience, and risk control. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this: protect the account first. The profits will follow. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and share it with another trader who keeps failing challenges. Check out the links to 2 of the top prop firms in the video description. If you grab a challenge account through them, I'll earn a little commission. Thanks a bunch. Your funded journey starts with discipline, not excitement.